Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. Last two videos, we learned to configure Network Manager using Network Manager TUI tool and Network Manager CLI. In this video, we will see how we can configure Network Manager using IP utility. The IP command, provided by the IP root 2 package, is a powerful tool to get information and configure the network of a modern Linux system such as Rocky Linux. The IP command is used to assign an address to a network interface or configure network interface parameters on Linux operating systems. This command replaces old good and now deprecated if config command on modern Linux distributions. Try the following two commands to list and show all IP addresses associated with all network interfaces, which we configured in the last videos. They both give you the same result. You can further select between IPv4 and IPv6 using the following syntax. It is also possible to specify and list particular interface TCP, IP details. Dev means device. To only show running interfaces. Use the C flag to get a more readable colored output. The flush command can remove as flush the IP address as per given condition. For example, you can delete all the IP addresses from the specific private network using command as following. Here is another example for all the Ethernet interfaces. You can deactivate and reactivate your interface link using following commands. To delete old assigned IP address and assign the interface a new static address. If we wanted a second IP assigned to the interface instead of removing the existing address, use only add command. To delete single IP, use command as listed. Now that the interface has an address, we have to set its default root, gateway. Same way to delete the gateway, use command as. Throughout the examples above, we have done some testing. Your best bet for testing is to start by pinging the default gateway. This should always work. Next, test to see if your LAN routing is working completely by pinging a host on your local network. Now test to make sure we can see a reachable host external of your network. For the test below, we are using Google's Open DNS server. If your machine has several interfaces and you want to test from a particular interface, simply use the I option with ping. If you want to find out the IP address assigned to all interfaces and display IP only. The listed command will show you all links and their MAC address. MAC address of a Linux network interface card can be changed using following commands. You need to downlink interface first. Assign the new MAC address. Next, bring your interface link up. Verify your new assigned MAC address. Lastly, for gigabit networks you can set maximum transmission units, MTU, sizes for better network performance. Let's change the MTU value from 15,000 to 9,000 using following command. Thank you for your time and watching the video. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to support us.